Landlord is very dangerous. She have a vendetta, and I would hold Landlord more even devious than Lorraine, because Lorraine have an obsession. But Landlord near man drink. She never put out her grand pitney picture upon ya. She never. Ashanti recommend her to Miss Princess. Dana support her. Chris support her by going. What did she do? What did she do to Dana? We have me look on things like how it be Landlord evil and bitter. Landlord is a wicked evil serpent. For you to have so much bitter about Dana that you can't have it about Miss Richie. Once to call, I know that casket for paint the picture. Me know about funeral. Maybe she did bury her mouth, and her world should know what it costs to bury dead. Evil drunk. The way Landlord, wicked Landlord, I go tell people so she work for Prestige when Landlord don't work for those guys. The guys make Landlord used to sell, and Landlord can't get food and glass permit. I want different. Me know all the woman name we are sell them now. So me tell you something. Me feel it with Landlord. Me no business about Lorraine. At this moment, me no business about Lorraine, and then I no disrespect a Landlord me a deal with. Me a deal with Landlord for well Landlord, just like with Tina Chin. Me a go afar and me a spread it on the news. Me a call the news program. Me a call the star. Me a do what me got to do, because me a get Landlord for me son when put out Audrey's son. Suppose Audrey was somebody, even though Audrey did come out today and vex all cuss me night, which she have all right, because when it touch them picnic, she know what nobody no business, because the family would do the same thing too. Me and her in our bangarang, how comes Audrey's son picture and she still a tell lie. Me I write the letter. One thing, me I write the letter like I'm write about Tina. I don't care what you want to say. Me I write the letter. Me I write her. Me I write the letter. Michelle look like Sophia. If Michelle account money. Well, I don't know if Michelle have a degree in accounting, you know, because say it look like the whole of them. No disrespect. I wonder if Lorraine can read the figure of the money them. No disrespect. I wonder if Lorraine you can't read the figure of the money them, because over 5 million me year gone already. And a 200 odd receipt. I wonder, boy, poor Lorraine. Boy. I will no me not cuss, man. No me not do that, man. You me tell us we can't cuss now. We have to stand up, even though we might not like one another. We have to put every problem on side and take down the wicked over Portland. No, on a serious level. Poor Lorraine, Lord Jesus, to take Lorraine 3 months to count up the. At 3 months to take Lorraine for count the 200. No, man, this not safe. So maybe Michelle now have time for write the letter, so I got to write the letter and make the call. No, me have to go do this. Me have to take up this. Me have to help. A neighbor would watch this. Me and my neighbor not talk, but we have to do this because they say poor Laura have to go count 200 and add receipt. Pass them over to Michelle. Poor Michelle now have to go the figures them. Let me have full heap of figure here, the 150 and the 700 I had. And one missing for 300 I had 1,000 and 400 I had 1,000, but the rest of them are big figure. Why? A poor Lorraine. 200 I had receipt, man. Me not tell a lie. It will take time for count them money. I remember say we not count the individual, you know, because Olive send over $2,000 go give her, you know. Olive send over $2,000 go give her. When money no count tonight, poor Angela Trump did that do a poor Angela Trump, I'm sorry for all them something the Angela Trump is a righteous Christian woman that took up her rent money. Hey, Erica Wicked, you know? Erica Wicked. They say people, see lady when name Angela Trump, you hear she talk about so the lady. The lady that used to donate to a landlord 100, 200, 300 me tell her support landlord good. 1 month landlord, 1 week landlord call the woman and ball pan phone to the woman and the woman take her rent money. The woman take up her rent money and when the woman take up her rent money, woman take her rent money go give landlord. The poor woman, no sir, this not safe. People, it not safe. Look here, remember say you know, a Lorraine we are talk about it frighten anybody. And I'm not take me a take up for Lorraine, but 200 and when Lorraine see them the money, the Lorraine go all black out and come back and black out and come me frighten too. God and time as what you say. I remember say at the first big case this you know. Them you sitting here whole heap of money what a case you know. What happened to the people them who was strong supporter like Olive Jagai, Angela Trump and them the people there. And if you listen to the voice note no on a serious level. And if you listen to the voice note make we be fear ear. Uno no ear. Uno for listening you know. Uno no want in a mix up uno have to follow it keenly. You know hear the voice note Ashanti 360 play yesterday where one of the girl I tell Sharon I grade say she shocked. She shocked because me personally, let me tell her something. Me personally shocked. Even when, if you notice me never say nothing, because you see, even when Lorraine put out the first receipt, me go tell you when me kinda come back to. When Lorraine put out the fourth receipt. Even when Lorraine put out the one, come me shock, and when I listen keenly over Ashanti to Sharon, you go listen for the lies. And when me hear the lady say she never know say where I go on like she want apologize, you could have hear the hurt in the lady voice. So we are just talking about one donor here. Listen to me. Why would I? Because Simpson I got ask why. When that individual was using my content, a lot of bloggers reached out to me and said to me 13, some even offered to strike her down. I was one of them when the award, as again I tell you I look on the right. Ashanti recommended her to Miss Princess. And in the same tone of her voice, she was telling Miss Princess that is Ashanti make Anna don't go on the award or somebody Anna. When she go, she never say why. She never say but we take off. Anna say why. For sure me know Dana support it, Ashanti support it. I have a follower now. Me and that follower we go at it. Michelle was against it, but me know for sure Ashanti says she must go. Dana support her going. Even Chris, where she had do the worst of the worst, came out. And no, don't say so. I'm gonna make a point here. And I came out and I said, if she's getting the award based on bathing and taking care of the homeless, she's doing it. Give it to her. I got a lot of backlash from it, especially from my followers. But yeah, we had our different thinking, our different. I support her getting it. Now, when someone said to me, a lot of people, bloggers, don't let you use your content. I said, she's cooking for the homeless guy. I didn't know that the woman is a scammer. I know she's not honest. She's cooking for the homeless. So let you use them. But when Dr. Charmaine had came out, that was when I stopped her from using my content. She ain't gonna get away. Once it reach, this is what I tell you. Once it reach the news media and in the paper, even over here we have that sometimes the police will feel pressured. Do you know, let me tell you something. As lazy as the police them is, once it reach the news, them gonna get working, because if this reach overseas, remember, if this reach ABC and CNN news, you know it done. Worse when you have her voice and a voice note saying that it's all people in the group. You know how much time I'm talking to a nurse and the phone ring asking for the poor patient, then the nurse I'ma tell them fuck off. Who scam a target? Those old people. So remember, her words is all people in the group. So trust me, if we can, people, if we can and we put together, this is what I said, leave this Lorraine Donna thing, yes we know we hurt, and focus on Landlord, it can work. It can work. Well, I care. You know why I care? Because, and I'm going to tell you why I care. My 17-year-old son, and I'm going to tell you why I care here. I would have cared, but I have my on my foot, and I am on a mission in this, like how I did to Tina Chin. My 17-year-old son was lied on, was tarnished, and Audrey Shaw, all the way in Trinidad and Tobago, son, that Audrey Shaw have nothing to do with this. Son, picture went up on the internet, disgraced and lied on, and I am going after that. When you say if it was Donna, would I care? What you mean? Be specific. Be specific, let me answer you. Be specific, let me answer you. Cause me ready. Be specific, make me answer you. When you gonna ask me say if I Donna, if more that did care, make me answer you. Big and serious truth, no lie. So with the rent money part of the whole I wanna say, remember, when people check for people, and you know, and if this woman come on the phone and start to cry and go on like truth, that's how scammer work. Like she, the homeless, and she worried about them and so, and she send the rent money to give her. Yes, the woman was naive, and again, nobody know this woman was collecting so much money from one donor. Who defend blood clot than a pie about me? More than me. Who defend blood clot than a The problem with me and Dirty Curly have, no come out the day when time it's Richie funeral and me come out and say I idiot thing that you do. And Curly come out here and disgrace me. Move your dirty underprivileged bumbleclot and go away. You know how much lip me get enough from my bumbleclot out here for Dana? You know how much humiliation me get out here for Dana? How much time I put on dirty girl frack out here for Dana? No man, but this a person a wicked no blood clot. Look how much time I put on dirty girl frack. Help platform. Join in with platform. Fake, you know when the flanker them a run come over here? Join in with platform. Focus and defend Dana. You really are gonna come over here talk about if I did Dana. Me never see this yet. Me never see this yet. Oh no wicked no blood clot out here, you know. Oh no wicked bad. Oh no dangerous no blood clot. Me I tell you no. Oh no dangerous. Oh no wickeder than blood. That one you wickeder than Erica, me not tell a lie. No man, but it hurt me man. Not just black so. Not just black so. That one you bitter. That one you hurt me. I don't even defend myself out here like how I defend Dana. Although she never asked me. Bad to bad. No sir. Bad to bad. I don't even defend Dana like how I defend myself. Enough time me hear them a cuss me and say Nana don't look. I'm a hear them come and tell a devious life and the woman words. Sometimes I know them bad by the woman. Go ask Curly, you know your Curly said Dana should have carry me to Panama with her. Come out here and defend Dana. Go ask her. I want drunk crow. We have a problem. We tell lie for me. You never hear Michelle Ladana they contact me and I say, me come a question Miss Ellis Charity. I'm not question. She don't call Dana name, no. I'm not question the one where become is a supporter. You never hear so what Michelle says so where you come from? So Ross lick when me get out here for Dana lucky things I make you fight a lucky things I me have a dirty girl fracking there so. Sometimes I don't even have time for put on my dirty girl frack. Me have to just fling it over my shoulder. So what were you about? Dana, me have to defend Dana, man. Me have to defend Dana always. I don't want nobody defend him. This is what I am saying. That's why when Lady V came out last night and talked, and Lady V talked because Lady V said even that same Sharon I agree they were tearing down her daughter. You will have people, but them still over there. Even though them hear the voice note and this is to be blamed with the planka, she still take up Curly live across Dana still have here. Them still a supporter. Yes, sometimes I can't get to put on the frack. I can't want them to stone out my blood clot. I have to fling the frack over the shoulder and go to war. No, that for sure they will stand up with her. Even the receipt them will come out, and this is why I said only because Lorraine is the messenger make you don't get a lot of support. Can count the few bloggers. Well, the she ladies come last night and so she come in this morning. We come out on it. And it's sad. People spending time worrying about put that on the back burner. That is there already. That is there already. Focus now on Landlord. Well, me a focus on she for what she do for my son, and that me say. Me no business at this moment. Me a focus. What's like a receipt that come out and that one woman they say them have 230 receipt. And still counting. I remember, you see, once the woman here come out, other people are gonna come out. If Olive Jagai one can give her over $2,000. Dr. Sham, other people gonna come out too. Other people are gonna come out. Well, me a go, it have to go in the news. Erica have to make the news. She have to make the news, trust me. If she not make the news, me not arrest. She have to. Where she put out Audrey's son picture and say a female son picture, she have to make the news. Me I go afar for see me picnic. Me no business with what me know everything. Me Erica have to make the news. What Erica do? She have to make the news. This a fi me clap back time like how me clap all the things I mean I hide and clap him. Me a clap him in a open, me a whap him make him know. Kind too wrong and strong. He have to make the news. When he make the news, the police will see they know and it's a scandal. They go over international because they know everybody already star. She have to make the news. She have to make it if I ever pan nationwide. If I evil pan nationwide Erica figure, she have to make it in the Star. She have to make it in the Observer. She have to make it in the Gleaner. And if I evil over nationwide, he might make it. Then the police and the down at Duke Street when I call for Donnelly and they got to know about him. Then she have to go explain to the police because one thing, police don't like the media. The media can get the police them for work quick.